Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
on-camera video lights.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I would like to give you an in-depth comparison before all this light design created by VGIM. Now I have a whole collection of the VGIM LED light, judged from the VR49, VR181, VR166, VR120, VR100, and 196, the colorful RGB light. So these are totally different lights, but they are all working great in my YouTube studio. Start with the Ulanzi VR49. It has 2000 mAh, and at that moment it was designed by Ulanzi, but now Ulanzi has put their lightning design team now have rebranded as VGIM. With the VR49, it has helped me capture a lot of interesting vlog with this light. It has a very simple and compact design, and it is really cheap. The good thing about this light is that you can turn it off and you only have limited levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're good to go. And charging for Type-C 3 cold through mount. It has a 14:9 LED, 7 multiply 7. This RGB light also comes with a free honeycomb and the soft box, which could not only protect your light but also could extend the flexibility when you use outdoors or inside the studio. This is a very good soft box. It feels nice in your hand, and this is a black honeycomb with also solid design. That will altogether give you a very flexible use for this RGB light. And don't forget, we also have a tilt angle, tilt adapter. So that is all the basic comparison before all the VGIM LED light. So all of them are very great, and judging from the low end all the way up to the high end RGB VR196. Now we have altogether 6 models on the Ulanzi website, from the low end VR49 all the way up to the VR196. So for every one of the users who want to have LED light, now we have plenty of choices. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Flexible, lightweight, RGB. At Aputure, we're dedicated to solving the non-stop struggle of set life. But problem solving takes flexibility. So now we're taking that flexibility one step further. Introducing the Aputure MC. As Aputure's first RGB light with control of hue, saturation, and intensity, the MC gives you the power to reproduce any color with the flick of a finger and in the palm of your hand. But color isn't all this fixture is capable of. The MC also breaks ground as Aputure's first LED with fine-tunable CCT. Users can now choose any color temperature between 3200 and 6500 Kelvin. And as with all Aputure lights, the MC prides itself in its accurate color rendition, with not only CRI and TLCI scores of 96+, but also an SSI score of 84, and an underlying technology that reproduces color better and simultaneously, all from or pull a color from real life. With Color Picker mode, they enter their phone at a color and reproduce. The MC is individual units, but also a 4-light travel kit. Each comes with a custom hard to protect and convenient wherever you go. The traders and rental houses, including more, but also a quantity of off the unbelievable. The MC is also the first a single MC from 0 to 100 in just 90 minutes. It's easy knowing that an entire case of lights can be charged because the MC is a light that is designed where you go, suit what you create without question. Any color, anytime.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley TV, and for today's vlog, we're gonna do another unboxing. So guys, dumating na yung order namin from Shopee, the Ulanzi or Ulanzi VL120 RGB portable light. So wag na natin patagalin pa, let's do the unboxing. By the way, disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako expert sa mga lightings. And beside is Ulanzi VL120, much cheaper and affordable compared sa mga other products like Godox and Aputure. Let's see what's inside, and let's start the unboxing. Bakit kami nag-order nito is para pandagdag ng lighting sa aming content. Kasi alam naman natin na ang mga lighting ay isa sa nagpapaganda sa mga videos to look sharper. What's inside the box? Nice box. And this is the cover, Ulanzi. So what we got here is an instruction manual, the unit itself. We got a USB Type-C and USB Type-A tube. So that's it.